Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to another video. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find File Manager or this PC on your macOS. Probably you are a beginner on macOS and now you want to get this PC option like Windows or File Manager. This is pretty simple, and that is you will get an icon on the bottom left corner, Finder. Actually, you have to open it, and probably you may not see this kind of interface for the first time. To get your this PC or main file manager, normally you have to click on this Go option, and here you will get something like this computer. Choose it, and from here choose Macintosh HD and choose users, and finally choose your users folder, and these are the folders of your macOS. This is the file manager. Normally, you can drag it to the left side if you want to create a shortcut. Here, I want to keep it over here. And this is this PC or file manager. And from now on, if you open the Finder again, if you click on this option, you will get your file manager or this PC. So that's all about today's video. Now you know how to find this PC or file manager in macOS. This is a very beginner friendly guide. I think it will help you a lot. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.